So I'm going to do a quick little apartment tour for you guys. Welcome to our apartment. Let's go in. Okay, so when you walk in, this is our front door entrance. So we have this little mat right here. We have some storage right next to the front door, so we put all of our like miscellaneous stuff in there, like coolers, basketballs, yoga mats, our vacuum, and any other stuff that we didn't know where to put goes in here. Then we have the first room on the left, and we do currently have another roommate who is living with us, so this is his room and what it looks like. So we were just trying to save money by living with a roommate, so that kind of worked out, which is really awesome. And then here's his bathroom, but I won't do like a full tour of his room because it's his room. So this is the living room. We have some bar stools that we've been kind of using as little side tables for the couch. This is our TV. Corey ended up buying a new TV. So this is like a curved, I think it's like 55-inch TV, and it also came with this Samsung soundbar. It was a really good deal. It was like $300 for the TV and for the soundbar, so we're pretty happy with that. And then we have my desk, which is now a TV holder. Kind of matches the color of everything we have in the house, which is this dark black brown. So yeah. And then here are the two recliners that we have. And this is where me and Corey like to sit and watch TV together. And this is Corey's like old recliner. He's had this for years. He will never get rid of it. Here is Corey's also couch that he brought from the old apartment. It's a really nice, comfortable couch. Perfect to lay on and to sleep on. Whenever we have guests, they like to sleep on this couch because it's just so comfortable. And there's our little clock. It's not currently working because it doesn't have batteries, so I do have to buy some batteries for it. But Corey's mom bought this for us. All the decorations she basically bought for us, which was really, really nice of her. And it's really cute. So she helped us decorate our house this past week, which is really kind of her. This is our freezer. So we have an extra freezer for anything we need to freeze. It isn't like it isn't completely full, but it does have quite a lot of stuff that probably wouldn't have fit in our other freezer. So that's that. We also have a balcony. On this balcony there are random stuff right now, but this is our cute table. It used to be inside the house at the old apartment, now it's outside, and it has a little owl on it. Corey's mom also bought, which is super cute, waterproof tablecloth. This is my old desk. I'm gonna probably take it back home sometime this week. And this is just a little broken chair with random towels on it, I guess. And there is a rug out here. I'm not exactly sure why. I might bring the rug back inside. So this is our kitchen. So we bought this new table. The table, the chairs, and the bar stools were all $200. We've been using Facebook Marketplace for everything that we've bought in so far. And this is how the table looks. Really cute, same dark color. Really like it. And I've been definitely eating here at this counter place. It's really easy to just eat here. Don't have to pull out any chairs really. So this is my like go-to eating spot. This is a picture that the roommate took of a waterfall. It's really pretty. Then we have a couple little more decorations. So Corey's mom bought me these flowers, which are really pretty, and they're still alive. They're about a week old and they're still thriving. This painting right here says, "I fall in love with you every single day." This one says, "You are capable more than you know." We have this little setup on our counter. A candle, and then this little holder of bananas and anything else. We have chewy bars. We also have avocados in there. We have a garbage right here. This is what was under our sink, but our sink is currently being repaired by maintenance, so that is why you see that. And this is what our kitchen looks like. I really like the hardwood floor. I think it's really pretty and fancy. I also like the colors of the cabinets. I gotta do my dishes, whoops. But this is our sink faucet. It's really pretty. I really like it. Easy to use. And this is kind of our setup. So this is our stove, and our oven, and our microwave. And up here we just have all of these things stored. Food and plates and cups and stuff. So in here we have all of our cups, mugs, and here we have all of our plates and storage containers for food. The spices are up here. And then coffee and other stuff is up here. And this is my coffee maker. We bought a new Ninja Bullet, really good stuff, works pretty well. And just like all of the other miscellaneous stuff around here in our cabinets and stuff. So yeah, this is our kitchen. Here we have one of my favorite quotes. I don't need an inspirational quote, I just need coffee, and then don't forget to be awesome, which is really cool. And this is our laundry room. So in here we have everything else that we also didn't know where to put for storage. We also have like laundry detergent stuff. Up here we have extra food and these little containers with more food that Corey's mom also bought and came up with, much cooler than what we had previously set up. So this is what this looks like. This is kind of what we had to do considering we didn't have that much storage in this apartment, but it worked out. And then this is our fridge, filled with tons of food. Alright, so that is the kitchen area. This is our water cooler. We usually just go buy water from like Smith's or Albertsons or Costco or whatever, and we fill it up about once a week. And we've been using this because water in Vegas isn't the best. Honestly, it doesn't taste really good, and this keeps the water cold and stuff, so it's pretty awesome. So this is our room. This is our currently new desk that we just bought. Also kind of matches the pattern of all the other furniture. It's really long. I think it's like 78 inches or so, but it's perfect. Me and Corey really wanted a desk for the two of us to share. So this is our current setup. We have our own little areas to study, which is awesome. So that's what we have going on here. This is the bed. We're just sharing Corey's old bed because my bed was smaller and his is a queen, so that worked out. This is still my old dresser. I am looking for a new dresser, but until I find the perfect one, I just have my old one set up like before at my house. So it's filled with all my clothes and then miscellaneous stuff in here. This is Corey's most favorite possession, I think, in the entire world, this fan. We have to sleep with the fan, which kind of sucks, but you know, it is what it is, gotta compromise in relationships. So this is a really cute painting, I Love You to the Moon and Back, that Corey's mom bought us also as a housewarming gift. The necklace that Corey got me kind of says the same thing. It's a little moon with a little heart, so it's kind of like our saying, I guess. And here's the other dresser. So on here, a picture of me and my family at graduation in high school, and then a cute little picture of me and Corey. And then on the other side, more pictures of me and Corey, and then Corey's mom and dad. This is our closet. So we ended up figuring out how to share it, I guess, pretty well. Half of it is Corey's, the other half is mine, and then any storage stuff back in the back. And this is our bathroom. And this is a cute little painting we have in the bathroom that says love. This is our sink, our cabinets, and some random sunglasses in the bathroom. This is our bathtub. I really like this shower curtain. This is like new. It's one of my like favorite colors, as you guys know, so I really like that. And then we have these really pretty towels as well that are also like the same color. So Corey let me get all girly, which is cool, in our bathroom. But yeah, I think that's it for the apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's all set up and we've been just enjoying living with each other. It's been about a week now since we've been together, and it's weird not going back home every single day after school, but I'm getting the hang of it, and so far so good. Like, we're learning kind of how to live with each other. It's different living with someone than like visiting someone, I guess. So far so good. I'll give you guys maybe some advice when I've been living with him longer of like how it is to live with someone, because this is my first time living with a guy. I have lived with roommates before, but it's a little bit different living with a guy. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye guys.